Good morning, y'all. I'm on my way to the gym. It's Saturday morning and it is 7:55, and I have to be at the gym at 8, and hopefully the trainer lets me in because she's strict. She doesn't like when you're late. So I'm on my way there. After the gym, I'm gonna run to the laundromat and see if they can clean my comforter, wash my comforter for me. It's too big for it to fit in my washing machine, so I have that. And then later on tonight, I'm going to the White Elephant party, so I'll try to get some footage while I'm there, if the people will allow it. And that's pretty much it for today. It's freezing outside. It's 24 degrees. I just left the laundromat and they want $30 to wash a queen comforter. So you know what? I'm gonna do it myself. They want $30 to wash this comforter, and the large machines cost, I think, $8. So I'm just gonna I'm gonna go back and wash it myself. I can't. $30? What in the... Had he said 20... So it's $8 to wash. Let's just say $9, because it was like some change. So $9 to wash, and it'll probably be $10 to dry. So then I guess he's charging $10 for his service. So I guess that's, I don't know, reasonable. What y'all think? $30 to wash a queen size. Actually, this might be a king. My bed is queen, but this comforter might be a king. So I guess that wasn't bad. I don't know, $30 just sounded like a lot to me when he said it. I was like, no, I'll do it myself. But time, you're paying for the time. So I think I'm gonna turn back around and let him do it. Oh my God. I think I'm going to turn around now that I think about it. Yeah, because when I wash it myself, I guess I'll probably pay, I don't know, 15. And then I can just pick it up instead of waiting at the laundromat. Yeah, I'm gonna go back. I don't even have a bag. I'm back. Can you wash for me?
You wash it?
You?
Yeah.
Okay.
How much? $30?
Yes.
Okay, you can put it in a cart over there.
Put it in the cart? When will it be ready? After what?
Afternoon.
Afternoon? Okay.
What's your phone number?
732
Please swipe your credit card now.
So I just wanted to see how much the large washing machines are, and they are $8.74. So $8.74, and then to dry is $129 for, I think it's 15 minutes or something like that. Hey y'all, really quickly, I'm just headed out to the White Elephant / Ugly Sweater Christmas party. My sweater is really not ugly, I don't think. I think it's pretty cute. But this is what I'm wearing. I have my Santa hat on, and these pants are like the faux leather. They're tight actually. And I have on Adidas Sambas. Let me see. Can y'all see my feet? This is what I'm wearing. And this is my gift card. I put it in this bag to throw them off. And I actually, it's in this box, the gift card. And then I put the box in this bag to throw them off. So I'm gonna try to share with you how many times this is passed around and who ends up with my gift card, which if I end up with it, I'll be fine with that because it is a $50 gift card to Target. So, oh, my apartment looks cute, doesn't it? Really, really cute. Okay, so hopefully I will see y'all there. Bye. This is cute.
Yes.
So when it could be taken twice.
Yes.
Pretty much, yes. You got it? This is Jazz. Good night, y'all. I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you for watching and be on the lookout for my next video. See y'all in the morning.